How to send snap from camera roll as normal snap without media upload. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can send snap from camera roll as normal snap without media upload. For this, you want to open up the Snapchat app on your device. Now, you want to tap on the memory icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now, tap on camera roll. Here, you will find different pictures and videos. You simply want to select the one that you want to send. So for example, I'm going to select this one. You can edit this however you want. You can also add a sound if you want. For that, tap on add a sound option, then select any song from here. You can also add text or edit it in any way from here. After that is done, tap on the send to option over here. Now, what you want to do is tap on the My AI option. So here there is a circle next to My AI. Go ahead and tap on that. Now tap on this paper plane icon to send your snap. As you can see here, it says send. And now the snap will be sent as a normal snap without media upload. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.